Howdy, I'm Tom for Altman Plants, and today I have a little plant that is called, I'm not going to say a dirty word here, Faucaria tigrina. That's the Latin name for it, and the common name is sometimes called tiger jaws. But you know, after that movie came out with the shark in it, a lot of times they just shortened it to Jaws. Now why do they call it that? Well, if you look at it very closely, you'll see that these leaves have like little teeth. No, I'm just funning you. They're soft. But it looks like little teeth on the edge of each leaf. That's really cool. This makes a great house plant in a climate where there's no hard freezes. You can grow it in the rock garden in little tiny nooks and crannies. And when it flowers, that flower rises up out of these little toothy leafy jaws and opens up like a brilliant little dandelion flower. So it's not a tiger, it's a dandelion flower. That would be tiger jaws, a great succulent from Altman Plants.